everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make this vertical wood sign to spice up your front porch for summer. It's a quick and easy DIY. I hope this will inspire you to create your own. Before I get started, I want to give a special thank you to Cricut for sponsoring this video. For this project, you will need permanent vinyl, transfer tape, a wood board, wood stain or paint, a metal wall bucket, artificial greenery, and floral foam. You will also need a cutting machine. Today I'll be using the Cricut Explore Air 2 machine. I started by measuring my board. These measurements will be helpful later on when we create the lettering in Cricut Design Space. Next, I stained the board with wood stain. I simply sprayed and rubbed the color onto the wood until it was all evenly coated. Make sure you cover the front, back, and sides. You can also use paint for this step if you prefer a colorful background instead. The stain kit I used also came with a clear coat, which will help ensure the vinyl sticks to the board, so I suggest spraying a clear sealer to make sure the next steps go smoothly. Now it's time to design the lettering we will be applying to our board. Open Cricut Design Space and add a square. Unlock the sizing and enter the dimensions of your board. I changed the color of the rectangle to act as a mock-up template of the wood board. Then I measured the bucket I'll be using to apply one of the letters and created a template for that as well. I actually ended up removing the handles from the bucket so it wouldn't cover the other letters above it. Once you're done, click text and type welcome one letter at a time, clicking return in between each letter to make it vertical. I resized the word and ungrouped the letters to fit the bucket template and adjusted the size of the letter O. We will be adding flowers to it, so leave a little extra space between the letter C and O. Once you're done, remove the templates and divide the word into multiple sections by selecting 2 letters at a time. Click group on the top right corner and attach. Repeat this for the rest of the letters. This will keep the letters in place and it will let Cricut know to cut the letters together. It should look something like this. Next, take your white permanent vinyl and place it on your mat. I used a brayer tool to help it smooth it down. When you're ready, load the mat into your Cricut machine, make sure it's set to cut vinyl on the setting dial and click the go button. After your machine is done cutting, flip the mat over to peel off the vinyl, trim, and weed the excess vinyl from the letters with the help of a weeding tool. I decided to apply the letter O on the metal bucket first, so it would be easier when applying the rest of the letters on the board.
Really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be.
I trimmed some artificial greenery and flowers and placed them inside the bucket using a couple of pieces of floral foam. This will add a nice pop of color to the wood sign. The cool thing about it is that you can change the flowers depending on the season, so you can keep reusing the sign all throughout the year.
I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts.
Lay the letters on the board along with a small bucket to get an idea where you want to place them. Take a piece of transfer tape and remove the backing. Peel the transfer tape off with the letters and apply it onto the board with the help of a scraper tool. Repeat the same for the rest of the letters, making sure you place them evenly. Use a ruler to help you out during this application process. It will make it much easier. Lastly, I drilled a hole to the back of the bucket before attaching it to the board. It worked as a guide when it was time to drill it down. And that is it. To spice up your porch area, you can simply layer a patterned floor mat with a basic one on top, add your DIY wooden sign, and a couple of decor pieces to tie everything together. I love how quick and easy it is to create beautiful decor with the help of my Cricut Explore Air 2 machine. This project is one of my favorites and I'm so excited to create more in the future. I hope this video inspires you to decorate your front porch and spice it up for summer. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time with a new DIY.